Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's crucial to ensure your Dyson SV30 is unplugged before proceeding. First, locate the filter compartment on your Dyson SV30. This is usually found near the top of the device. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently remove any screws securing the compartment cover. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once the cover is off, you'll see the filter. Pull it out carefully, it should come out with a slight tug. If it's stuck, wiggle it gently to free it. Now, inspect the filter for any visible dirt or debris. A clean filter is essential for optimal suction. Next, we will clean the filter. Rinse it under lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filter. After rinsing, shake off excess water and allow it to air dry for at least 24 hours. Make sure it's completely dry before reinserting it into the vacuum. While waiting for the filter to dry, let's clean the interior of your Dyson SV30. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris inside the compartment. This not only keeps your vacuum clean but also ensures it operates at peak performance. If you find that your filter is damaged or excessively dirty, consider replacing it. You can easily find a replacement filter online or at your local store. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home, and no calls, no travel. It's a convenient option to ensure your vacuum is in top shape without any hassle. Once your filter is dry, reinsert it into the machine. Make sure it fits snugly into place, then replace the compartment cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV30 and give it a test run. Ensure that it's working properly and that there are no unusual sounds. Regular maintenance, including filter cleaning and replacement, will extend the life of your vacuum. For those who wish to avoid the hassle, we provide a quote before repair, making it easier to decide how to proceed with any necessary maintenance or repairs. Keeping your Dyson SV30 in pristine condition has never been easier. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.